Tap, 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 what was that? Something's moving, crick and crack. A glowing egg, what could it be? Come a little closer and count with me. Is it big? Is it small? What is hiding inside this bowl? Tiny tails, come along. Join our dinosaur surprise song. Taashu, Rivu, Sia too have a mystery just for you. Look at the eggs, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What could they be? Tap, tap, dinosaur egg. What is hiding there? Shake, shake, dinosaur egg. Something's moving. Where? Crick, crack, peekaboo. A baby dinosaur, hello to you. Stomp so softly, 1, 2, 3. Come and learn the colors with me. One little egg glows bright red. It wiggles to the left and shakes instead. Tap, tap, crick and crack. Can you guess who's coming out? Peekaboo, what do we see? A little red dinosaur, happy as can be. Red little dinosaur, softly stomp your feet. Red, 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 you look so sweet. One red dinosaur, stomp, stomp, stomp. One red dinosaur, stop, stop, stop. Tap, tap, dinosaur egg. What is hiding there? Shake, shake, dinosaur egg. Something's moving. Where? Crick, crack, peekaboo. Another baby dinosaur is coming through. Two little taps on an egg so blue. Knock, 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 who is inside you? It rolls very slowly, then wiggles once more. A tiny blue tail peeks out through the door. Peekaboo, hello to you. A little baby dinosaur, colored blue. Blue little dinosaur, turn around slow. Blue, 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 watch the moonlight glow. One red dinosaur, one blue too. How many dinosaurs? Now there are two. Can you show 2 fingers? 1, 2. Wonderful counting. A sunny yellow egg starts to shine. Is this little dinosaur number 3 in line? Tap it once, tap it twice. Wait very quietly, that sounds nice. Crick, crack, the shell opens wide. A little yellow dinosaur was sleeping inside. Yellow like sunshine, yellow like a star. Hello little dinosaur, there you are. 1, 2, 3, stomp softly with me. 3 baby dinosaur, happy and free. Red and blue, yellow too. Baby dinosaurs, we found you. Tap, tap, dinosaur egg. What is hiding there? Only 2 more eggs. Let's look everywhere. A little green egg hides by a tree. Taashu finds it, what could it be? The egg rolls slowly across the ground. Rivu and Sia follow it around. Stop, little egg, where will you go? The egg gives a wiggle, gentle and slow. Crick, crack, what have we seen? A tiny baby dinosaur, hovered green. Green like grass, green like a tree. 4 little dinosaurs, count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. One final egg is glowing bright, purple and sparkling in the soft moonlight. Is it empty? Is someone there? A tiny little sound floats through the air. Tap, tap, wait and see. Who is inside egg number 5? Crick, crack, the shell falls away. A purple baby dinosaur comes out to play. Purple little dinosaur, blink your sleepy eyes. 5 little dinosaur, what a big surprise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 baby dinosaurs have all arrived. Which one is red? The red dinosaur stomps its feet. Which one is blue? The blue dinosaur turns around. Which one is yellow? The yellow dinosaur touches the star. Which one is green? The green dinosaur dinosaur hides by the tree. Which one is purple? The purple dinosaur waves to me. Red and blue, yellow and green, purple is the last color we have seen. Can you move like a dinosaur? Soft little stomps across the floor. Stomp 1 time, stomp 2 times, stomp 3 times in a little line. Wave your hands, turn around. Now sit softly on the ground. Take a big breath in and out. Gentle dinosaur stomping is what it's all about. 5 little dinosaurs standing in a row. Red, blue, yellow, green, and purple glow. 5 little dinosaurs, count them once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, our colorful friends. Tap, tap, dinosaur X, our surprise is through. 5 baby dinosaurs came out to play with you. Which little dinosaur did you like today? Red, blue, yellow, green, or purple at play? Point to your favorite, can you show us which one? Learning colors and counting was so much fun. Wave goodbye to our dinosaur friend, but every tiny tail has another adventure ahead. Come along with Taashu, Rivu and Sia too. Tiny Tales by Decode Cute has more stories waiting